Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a gorgeous evening in Los Angeles. The last couple of weeks, I've had a lot of fun playing with my Amsterdam Pearl Green in these modern minimal pours. And the first one we did had this green background. It was called Fly Away. We just did another one last week called what the heck did I call it? Oh, Marine Layer with the Prussian blue base coat. And I really liked those two pieces, and I really wanted to see the pearl green highlighted and showcased more than any other color, and I did not, because I got carried away and put a lot of other colors in there too. So we're going to try this one more time tonight with the same palette, but I'm leaving out the Amazement because it is very close to the pearl green and I don't want any competition for it. So this is an 18 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas. I have painted the sides and edges and the surface with my Amsterdam Onyx Black. So that's all ready to go. Okay, I have here my DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold, HOA's favorite showgirl. And I have some of our friend Kelly's Feral Cloud Mix, which is the Artists Loft Soft Body White, Vallejo Pearl Medium, and some American Floetrol. And I have Artists Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, which I absolutely love. And I have my Amsterdam Pearl Green. So these bottles are all exactly the same as the last time I used them. This one, I emptied it out. I added a little bit more paint and a little bit more Floetrol and a little bit more water. So it should be a little bit more concentrated tonight. So I'm hoping that's going to give us a head start in having it show up a little bit more. Okay, and I have my transparent base coat / pouring medium. This is Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and American Floetrol and some water. And this is my pouring medium, but I also use this as my transparent base coat. If you haven't seen this technique before, it's kind of fun. We pour down a puddle of our transparent base coat, we put some paint in there, we do some finger painting magic inside, and then we tilt it out, and the result is a modern minimal piece that's really beautiful and abstract, and hopefully has a lot of dragged color and some wispy bits and cool stuff. So let's get started. We're going to pull our canvas over. Okay, we're going to pour a nice puddle of this right in the center. I have strained this. HOA watched me and I think his eyes were like, really? Again? You can do it again?
That did not happen. I knew she was doing it.
Okay, we're just going to slightly tilt this out. Just a little bit, and then we're going to torch it. Okay. So a couple of things when using your torch. I never start my torch while it's aiming at my painting. You never know if there's dust in there or cat hair or dog hair or your hair or whatever.
Spider webs.
Spider webs. Start your torch away and then move it onto your canvas.
Even if it's not that big.
Even if it's not that big. Okay, so we're going to take the star of our show, the Pearl Green. The last one, Marine Layer, I really liked it, but I felt like there was a lot of color on there and I kind of wish there was a little more negative space. So that's also what we're shooting for tonight. So, sorry about this HOA, we're going to do white on white. We're going to start with some of the Pearl Green. Are you ready?
Thanks for that.
Are you ready, husband of awesome?
Yes, my love. Yes.
Here we go. We're going to put down a
Semper
nice
purpose.
thicker line. So I really want to make sure that shows up.
The joke's on you. I can still see it.
And instead of doing like 6 lines, we're just going to do, I think, 3. Okay. Now, we're going to come in with the metallic cobalt. As much as the pearl green, because we want that to show up a lot. So we're going to take some of our 24 karat gold. You're embarrassing her. And we're going to put just a little in there. And you notice the colors that take over more, I'm using smaller lines. And now we're going to use a little bit of our cloud mix. And we're going to put it right here in between the turquoise and the gold. Just a little bit. Okay. And now, instead of finger painting these all together, I'm just gonna, are you ready, darling?
Yes, ma'am.
We're just gonna do each one kind of individually. Okay. Okay. And then, for good measure, I'm going to take some more of the pearl green and I'm just going to kind of Jackson Pollock it on top. And that's it. That's all we're going to do. Okay, I'm excited about this one. I think it's going to work. Let's get a little bit more of our transparent base coat on there.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line.
All right.
Like leaves we soar so high.
We're going to go off of this corner first.
Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine.
That's pretty cool. Man. What do you think, HOA?
As the leaves
I like it.
I like it a lot because I can see a lot of the pearl green on here. And it's already kind of looking a little shifty, which is awesome. I'm very happy about that. I love that the metallic cobalt is in there, but it's not overpowering. I love that there's just little bits of gold and little bits of white. So I think this is going to be awesome. I'm very excited about this. Okay.
I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe
Maybe we should call this one Evolution. Because I really enjoy that. I like thinking about a pour that I want to do and then doing it and seeing what challenges I have and then correcting those challenges in the next pour. And then if I still haven't gotten it the way I wanted, correcting it again. So this is actually the third one with this color palette. And I'm okay with it. I mean, I like all of them. They all look really cool. But in terms of the intention and what I wanted to make happen, this is a lot closer. And you see those cells right there? Okay, so this is very pretty. I think I want to torch it one more time. So I'm loving how this looks. I think this looks beautiful, and I really actually like it with the white transparent base coat. I think these colors look really pretty. Remember though, the base is black on this, so I'm really hoping that that concentrated pearl green is going to show up a lot more and really be blingy. I might have to do this on a white one because I really do like the way that it looks on the white. So this is awesome. I will show you guys when it is dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. I hope you enjoyed this. Please leave me a like and a comment and a share and hype if you do it, if you can. Helps the algorithm remember who we are. So thanks so much. We'll be right back. Pretty. I like it.
I get a lot. Wait to see how it turns out.
Yeah, I think this one's gonna be really good. Okay, here we are with our dried results. I am thrilled with this one. I'm so happy. Our pearl green is finally showing up. It's so pretty. No, don't. Just hold still for a sec. This beautiful blingy metallic with the metallic cobalt and the pearl green and the 24 karat gold. So pretty. Okay, HUA. Tilty. Really pretty stuff. Blingy. Very blingy. Very cool. I'm very happy. So this is the third one in this series. It's finally how I want it. I really am happy with this. And I love these little like fractured lines in here from that last little Jackson Pollock splatter we did. Awesome. Very cool. Yay! Thank you all so much for being here. We'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.